Envision by CIVCO Medical Solutions is a viral barrier that enables 100% gel-free ultrasound procedures. The Envision pad is activated with sterile liquid to scan non-intact or sensitive areas. Envision eliminates the need for gel, which reduces the risk of contamination and simplifies clinician workflow. To get started with the Envision pad, locate your source of sterile liquid and empty procedure contents into your sterile field. Remove the liner to expose the silicone adhesive. Apply the adhesive side of the pad to the target anatomical area of the patient and smooth on to their skin. Apply the identified sterile liquid to the top of the pad. Begin scanning. The elimination of gel with Envision provides clinical advantages when used to scan non-intact skin or patients with a high risk of infection. Following the procedure using Envision, gently remove the adhesive pad from the patient's skin and discard. Contact CIVCO to learn more about how the Envision pad can reduce the risk of contamination and simplify workflow.